Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to export video in Premiere Pro for Instagram Reels. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. In order to export video for Instagram Reels, you need to click on sequence, then go to sequence settings, and here you need to make sure that the frame size should be 1080 to 1920. So this is the aspect ratio which we need to set. Once you set that, just click on OK. Now here we need to click on again file, go to export and click on media, or either you can just click on export. Now here we need to click on video tab, expand it, and just click on match source. Once you do that, click on more and just tick these two boxes. First one is render at maximum depth and the second one is use maximum render quality. Now scroll a bit until you find the option target bitrate. So we need to set this on 50, just like this, and just click on export. So yeah guys, that's how you can export videos for Instagram Reels. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.